This video explains the difference between CPU-bound and GPU-bound. Ever wonder why your shiny, new gaming PC stutters on some games, but flies through others? Or why AI training takes forever on your laptop, but blasts off on a supercomputer? The secret lies in a sneaky tug-of-war inside your machine, CPU-bound or GPU-bound. Get ready to uncover which part is holding you back. CPU-bound tasks rely on the central processing unit, CPU. The CPU handles logic, decisions, and step-by-step work. It shines in single-thread jobs like web browsing or file sorting. If the CPU maxes out at 100% while the GPU idles, your system is CPU-bound. Work slows down because the CPU can't keep up. GPU-bound tasks lean on the graphics processing unit, GPU. The GPU crunches huge parallel data sets fast, like in games or AI models. It has thousands of tiny cores for math-heavy jobs. If the GPU hits 100% and the CPU chills, you're GPU-bound. Speed stalls until the GPU catches up. CPU loves serial tasks, one after another. GPU thrives on parallel tasks, many at once. CPU-bound shows high CPU use, low GPU. GPU-bound is the other way around. What's the fix for CPU-bound? Upgrade CPU or optimize code? GPU-bound? Get a better GPU or lower settings. Knowing this helps you pick the right hardware. Gamers avoid CPU bottlenecks for smooth frames. AI pros choose GPUs for fast training. Developers tweak code to balance loads. It saves money, boosts speed, and ends frustration. Imagine editing tons of photos in software like Photoshop. If resizing each image one by one and applying filters step-by-step maxes out your CPU, it's CPU-bound. The brain is tired from single-file work. If blending colors across thousands of pixels at once overloads your GPU, it's GPU-bound. The muscle team can't keep up with the parallel grind. Check Task Manager to spot the slowdown source. Think of a kitchen. CPU is the head chef planning recipes step by step, great for one dish, but slow for a banquet. GPU is an army of line cooks chopping veggies in parallel, blazing for mass prep, but lost without the chef's orders. Bottleneck? Chef overwhelmed, CPU bound, or cooks idle, GPU bound.